We're at the British by the Sea. It's Harkness State Park. MG Club sponsors this every year. It's a huge car show just for all British cars. We've been coming for probably 6 or 7 years. Again, it's a chance to look at a lot of different British cars, maybe get some ideas on your car, talk to others who may have some problems and give you some ideas. This car, I've had it for 32 years. I bought it 2 weeks before my oldest son was born. I drove it for about 5 years and then I had a blown head gasket, so I pulled the engine. And after I pulled the engine, there's only 10 bolts holding the body to the frame, so I took the body off and started from the bare frame up. The rear panel was actually welded in place, and it probably had Bondo that was an inch thick on it. It had some rust on it. It's seen some salt in that. I put an overdrive in it, whole new transmission, because the overdrive is actually a short section that fits at the back of the existing transmission. So where your transmission ends, there's another piece that goes in and it's a short adapter. Stayed with the Strombergs. Actually, I just rebuilt them a couple of months ago. Took them apart, rebuilt them, gaskets and everything. Yeah, I do as much of the work as I can myself. Had pulled the transmission out over the winter and had the transmission rebuilt because it has 99,000 miles on it. This is one of the best things I've ever done, was change the headlights. These are LEDs, so the draw is really low. So they're really bright, and when you're going down the road at night, you can really see where you're going. So yeah, it was the best thing I ever did. It took me 15 minutes to swap them out. And it's just you take the old ones out, plug them in, it's a straight swap. Last summer, the national meeting for Triumph Club was in La Crosse, Wisconsin. So we drove from basically Hartford, Connecticut to La Crosse, Wisconsin and back, 2,500 miles in 10 days. So long drive across Canada, Michigan.
Don't care about putting miles on this.
I bought the car to drive it. I didn't buy it to show it. I like to take it to shows, but I enjoy driving it. So yeah, all little things, odds and ends, just always something to work on.